I travel not to escape something, but to meet something. Something outside and something inside. The world is loud, but in the movement, I find quiet. I find answers, or at least better questions. And maybe that's enough. Because I want to feel the energy of the earth beneath my feet. The pool of ancient stones, I believe some places remember. Malta feels like one of them. This island gave me what I needed. But Malta became something else. Cliffs like edges of time, water everywhere, driving on the left and learning to let go. The kind of sun that teaches you to slow down. is older than memory. Cultures layered like sediment. Prehistoric, Arab, colonial. You see it in the walls, you taste it in the food, and you feel it in the pace of the people. Calm, grounded, like they know something we forgot.
Plenty more. Do my hope for the night, oh. Give me more control. Slow down for the night, oh. Let me know. That you down for the vibe. That you down for the vibe, oh. We don't say bye-bye. You can see my eyes. Then I'm on the rise, oh. I believe by the light. Your body be smiling, oh. Easier than I silo.
I shoot because I want to leave something behind. A mark, a visual memory of how the world once looked, of how it felt. This is not just for now, it's for later, for whoever comes next. My descendants, or just a future human wondering what life felt like before everything changed again.
Feels like I'm lost for words and I can't speak. Can't lie. When I'm in your arms, leaves my heart weak. Like fire in the rain, you take my breath away, pull me from the shade. I'm lost out in the haze, you take my breath away to another place. Yeah, you're my daylight.
So I film, with joy, with hunger, with reverence, because this world is so damn beautiful. I was here, and this is how it looked through my eyes.